Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and I'm here with the Narwal Freo X Ultra. This is a robot vacuum and mop combo that is packed with so many high-tech features. I cannot wait to dive in and show them all to you. You guys are going to be mind blown. Let's get started.
First things first, let's talk power. The Narwal Freo X Ultra delivers a jaw-dropping 8,200 PAs of suction power.
The Narwal Freo X Ultra has powerful suction that can easily pick up debris.
Whether it's crumbs, pet hair, or deep-seated dirt, this machine handles it all with ease. And for those of us with pets, you're gonna love this. It's certified zero tangling. The floating brush is designed to prevent hair and fur from wrapping around, even on carpets. So say goodbye to those frustrating cleanups. But the Narwal Freo X Ultra isn't just a vacuum. It's an unrivaled mopping machine with 12 newtons of downward pressure, 180 RPM scrubbing action, and its dirt sense technology. It doesn't stop until every stubborn stain and speck of dirt is gone. It even adapts its pressure based on your flooring. More pressure for tile and less for delicate hardwood. How smart is that? And when the Narwhal is done, the base station takes over, automatically washing, drying, and even dispensing detergent for the mop. You never have to lift a finger. The base station is the heart of the Narwal Freo X Ultra, and it's a total game changer. It doesn't just empty itself, it compresses the dust into a compact space, giving you up to 7 weeks of completely maintenance-free cleaning. And let's not forget, it dries itself too, keeping everything fresh, hygienic, and ready to go. Now, let's talk about the brains behind the brawn. The Narwal Freo X Ultra is powered by LiDAR 4.0 navigation and 3D mapping. It scans your entire home, creates multi-floor maps,
And even lets you use no-go zones right from the app.
It's also equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance, so it can navigate around anything in its path. No more accidental run-ins with your pet's toys. So, one of my favorite features,
AI Dirt Sense adjusts the suction power and mopping moisture based on the dirt level of the floor.
on warm, sunny days, it adds a little bit more water to the mop, and on cold, rainy days, it uses less to prevent oversaturation. This robot really thinks of everything. It even knows when to step up its game, switching to deep cleaning mode when it detects heavier dirt. And all of this power and intelligence comes with a whisper quiet operation. You can let it run while working, watching TV, or even while the baby's napping. So, what's my verdict? The Narwhal Freo X Ultra is an absolute game changer for home cleaning. Its unmatched suction power, flawless mopping capabilities, maintenance-free base station, and smart adaptive features make it worth every penny. Whether you're a busy parent, a pet owner, or just somebody who loves a spotlessly clean home, this robot is for you.
Thank you guys so much for sticking around with me, and do not forget there's some incredible deals going on, and as always I'm going to leave those links, information, all of that good stuff in the description. So I encourage you guys to go ahead, check all of that out, and get to shopping. You are going to be so happy you did. Adios amigos.